Hello, welcome to The New Sound. Today we'll explore drum machines and how they relate to the music we make. Our story begins in the 1930s with the development of the rhythmicon. This brainchild of Henry Cowell and Leon Theremin could produce over 16 different rhythms, each linked to a unique pitch. Fast forward to the 1980s and the game changes with Roland's TR-808 rhythm composer. This was one of the earliest programmable drum machines. The 808 drum machine fundamentally altered how music was written, becoming the soul of emerging genres like hip-hop and electronic dance music. Despite its initial commercial pitfalls, the TR-808 garnered a cult following, and its distinct bass sounds and ease of use revolutionized the music industry. The TR-909 carried on the legacy by bringing MIDI and sample features to drum machine fans. Although it didn't achieve the widespread commercial success of the 808, its impact profoundly shaped genres like techno and house. In the 21st century, software-based sequencers began to eclipse standalone drum machines, offering real-time, versatile sequencing capabilities. What started out as a solution to the absence of live drummers quickly went on to define generations of music. The affordability of software-based sequencers made them a favorite among major labels and independent producers alike. Even though drum machines and sequencers have become very popular, they do have their limits and can't match the subtle feel and the unique playing style of a professional live drummer. Whether you're a drummer or not, mastering basic drum grooves is crucial for any music creator. With plenty of free software at your disposal, crafting drum sequences is now easier than ever. Thanks for watching, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.